Todd here, it's my buddy Ron. Yeah, man, what's up? What's up? Hey, everybody always asks me, how did I teach Ron how to sing? Well, it wasn't easy. Let's hear some stuff, Ron, real quick before we go to dancing. Take these broken wings and learn to fly again. Dude, that's just way off key. And learn to fly again and learn to live so free. Dance, man. Let's go dance. Yeah. That's right. Come on, Ron. Let's go.
Come on, I said the hip hop, you hit it to the hip hop, and you don't stop the rocket to the bang bang boogie. Set up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat.
Now what you hear is not a test. I'm rocking to the beat.
Come on, get it.
Yeah,
bro, let's go.
See, I am Wonder Mike, and I'd like to say hello.
Out the way! Hey, come on, Ron! Dig it, man! Dig it! Let's go! What, man? Alright, let's get it! Let's go! Come on! Woohoo! Look at this peasant footwork! Oh, woo! There! Thanks for meeting with me today, and it's good to get a new haircut. Well, yeah, I've just been working on the haircut since I've become a big celebrity, and since I made the video shoot and stuff, people really are getting to know my name. And it was good to work with you, shoot, and how we kind of worked out together and stuff. That was pretty cool. So, Ron, do you think you'll continue doing things? Well, that's a great question. Have to really sit back and think about this for a moment. It was, like a dream of mine to come true and stuff. So maybe in the future that we could get together and do some other things. Yeah, Ron, thanks. And I really appreciate, all the things you've done. Hey, Wang Fu, I just wanted to say thanks for the choreography and the shoot. And just one more thing. I really like your hat.
Let's rock.
You don't stop.
Rock the rhythm that'll make your body rock. Real simple.